Ebusuya ensemu sisio na enshamu sisi adaka mu ebusuya haya Ghana nsem TV ne woka say de audio bi amensa aka a ende ebusuya ebe piem o TikTok live ebusuya sem ketua headmaster G eye parent sika almost 4,000 cedis ansana ne ba no the results by the amano nebusuya oyembe show emu PTA emu clearance emu toiletries emu wei ebusuya mewa meka sanwa tie video no ebra nebusuya wi a ebede ho nkom
abesanya mi o de ma yenti
Okay.
No. Ubani hwan.
Me pa cho say
Ubani hwan.
me ba like me person me ba o school mu hono but me person me who the way a clearance form ni isiku.
I understand, but whose mother are you?
My word is Linda.
Oh, Linda. This second name there. Ofi Sopon me wa.
Yeah.
Aha. Process no at say clearance form no 30 cedis. And then your classes 700.
Classes.
Yeah, extra classes before they wrote the exams. So that one is 700. Each parent is supposed to pay that amount. It's a classes money. And then we had PTA 600. So I'm just telling you what will be paying when you come, or if she has done all these payments, then you only come and then those that are left, then you just sign that one and go.
we ye omo wie school na nansenya o omo wie ye omo wa konta na yebu no tino mo de mo ma yensenti
No. Ubani hwan.
Me pa cho say
Ubani hwan.
me ba like me person me ba o school mu hono but me person me who the way a clearance form ni isiku.
I understand, but whose mother are you?
My word is Linda.
Oh, Linda. This second name there. Ofi Sopon me wa.
Yeah.
Aha. Process no at say clearance form no 30 cedis. And then your classes 700.
Classes.
Yeah, extra classes before they wrote the exams. So that one is 700. Each parent is supposed to pay that amount. It's a classes money. And then we had PTA 600. So I'm just telling you what will be paying when you come, or if she has done all these payments, then you only come and then those that are left, then you just sign that one and go.
Yeah, me pa cho me too.
So we have those ones that we check. If the class is no chair, we are fine. Then that one is also there. And then we have what's the name? Logistics. Logistics, depending on the house mistress, they have to bring it every semester. And so I don't know whether when she was coming, she has brought them. So if the person have not brought them, then they will do some calculation. And it's 80 cedis per semester. So the phone one, one fifty and bad, then those things they will do.
Logistics no wadaroma e continue there like daily woman.
Oh, okay. We have a tea room, we have a cashier, we have from the boys in
Okay.
Dettol. We have Dettol. I think they bring what again?
na me pa cho me bisamo logistics na tiro na akasa logistic tiro na akasa asem
There be
and yes sanitaries na tiro na akasa and this anya men
what he's saying is supposed to be toiletries, but the question is logistics kona onokano. The kids are supposed to bring it to who?
That's the problem.
And kwalano na providing these things and staff na say buying so providing. Because what he is saying no and what and just say kwalano na dey babe use because I that running back school. Na ma me beto bia ma na di aba. Enti ke se.
Pacho akashia na edi a. Edi a.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
the
chichi
teacher
ejaye.
jare.
It is a parazo. Yeah, the chichi ejaye.
Even
It is a bleach.
Oh,
Let me use lay. It is a
Yeah.
bleach.
So I crying kasa akesha yeah the pi. Na
This
baby
is
o epia.
nonsense. Where am
Epia, this is my
I?
question. Or say I was so to from one.
From
It is a
from Form 1, I to
from
so
one
do
when
Form 3. What
yeah.
kind of nonsense is that? And every stage you have what
Previously
three
no.
terms. And then question
What
some
you
no
say?
no.
yeah, me too. Yeah,
Yeah,
and then say
from
every year
one
me
there's a
bet you wow.
nine terms. So we are talking about 9 terms. Because from Form 1 to Form 2, 3 terms. Form 2 to Form 3, another. So we are talking about we are talking about 9 terms. I think
Nine.
what control. And in the one we are over multiplying 80 CGs by 9. Oh, you see, I start. Yay, Crawford. Anyway, what do you mind question? Mechanic entry.
Then those things they will do their own.
Logistics no wadaroma e continue there like any woman.
Oh, okay. We have a T-row, we have a cashier, we have just let the name from the boys in here.
Okay.
Dettol. We have Dettol. Thing they bring what again? Maybe, but I know those things are always in the Omo. Omo so can Hero, Sunday Acacia womb.
Headmaster, what
Outside the
T-row
market.
logistics. T-row.
Those are the things you're supposed to bring every time. The social name no and bad there. That's where the house is and then the person pay. Okay, so aside there, no, we have another one that is barbering. And so the barbering fee is also what we pay. And also 70, yeah, 20 is like, and also 70, yeah, it is.
No so bad brain there.
Oh, but so, yeah, we're barbering shop. And so the students are supposed to barber while they are in school.
Na say
So,
compulsory na.
but so, you're composing for everybody.
Papa,
Hey,
Papa
hey,
shop.
man,
Doctor
your
Mpo
poor.
tinimfu ye
So,
kra ye
you
be.
cry,
And I say so na mo introduce we say nyina.
oh, middle or hotter than that. And so, one time, but
Ose me the order that there is on time about PT.
Barbering.
Eh, you are near crocro. Aboa.
Oh.
Hey, went na a teacher
Hey.
for no. Ọsọ
Yeah,
pẹ̀tù
that's why
abẹ́kyẹ́
they
bíbí
hated
no.
Nana
Saa
Addo
kúrọ̀ no wẹ̀.
Eh, Charlie.
Saa kúrọ̀ no wẹ̀. Nyàmé bẹ
Charlie.
tu ọmọ kà pàpàpàpà. Nyankopọ̀ bẹ tu
Okay,
ọmọ kà.
pacho na there nti asa. Now 600 cedis near day.
a PTA, a project. PTA, and also, you're Bessia, but Fabia 8 year 200 for so for 3 years, 600.
Hey,
Ah.
PTA now omucha muno or different from 1 to from 3 600 cedis. Hey,
And also,
But the money
every
from
final year
Becca
student
Bibi.
is paying 600.
Money
But if
say,
you
I
have paid,
hope I
if
say
you have
I'm
come
cancel
before and you have
school free no.
oh, free they said your muye they no no mucha muno.
I'm person I'm shut and cancel, but say I am din say I'm be cancel there no.
Zaki how they me ba ma me fa we ni.
you have
Okay.
paid before, then that one, because service year is 100. So your calculation, until every student, every final year student is paying 600. But if you have paid, if you have come before and you have paid before, then that one, because service year is 100. So your calculation, that's 600.
Yeah. Ti pacho no.
Me first semester Caribbean. And say my ball barbering, my ball logistics, my ball classes, my ball PTA. What again? Same. Let me then you better stores. Stores so or your books are multiply by 3. So they will look at the value and multiply by 3. But when your books, there are no problem. Now, for like or your book only problem or imagine, but when your book there, or no problem. And then department. The department is paying so a general student or almost 20 cedis for the department, 20 cedis
Hey.
for department. I think I've hammered on everything.
Matter, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama nanka so we go ahome o say yeah. Ubetia. Hey. Department and so you did 20 CDs.
Na unim say
Amen.
akwara no wo dey wo be say sika mo bra unim say awon because they say every month your money chop money.
Hey.
The junior sister okay your money chop money every day.
Bobby air cars in do comment section or say neba echo or say there yes or say I think it's Wesley girls or no PTA which 1,000 Ghana cedis every month you which 500 Ghana for classes.
Okay.
Hey.
Nde ye no ye cheap.
Hey, monfa Kobe mami QA. Mommy one slot na me family.
Nah, Charlie, bro. This is mind busting. So this is the reason why they hated the Kufuado and the Free Senior High School. Because Sheska Papa Nebo Bosso. Now they only the MSRA. Or say Babrin, like, also call you with city, the baby, come and why fee. Nice boy, fine boy, gentleman. And also call you with 20 CDs every month. I know so near compulsory. Hey. In Samusio. Compulsory also call you tea. Now, obi too many things were by force. There's a school no. I'm establishing barbering shop or school more than one. I also call you tea. Now 2 years can by force. La ilaha illallah. And what she or say holistic so say BBB. And also 80 CDs every semester. Bro. And what you are say classes fee 600 CDs. Classes fee 600 CDs. And osambo one be so 500. She's a scar almost genebusia. I'll say a non switchy lab fee and department fee. She's a scar almost almost by a million is half but a 40 million. Almost 40 million, 4,000. Charlie, you people, you the shock fans. You the shock fans. 40 million. Like seriously, who does that? No. I'm just shocked. I'm just shocked because Ebusuya in Semusi na Ghana for benuam. I'm telling you. Ghana for the benuam. How you Ghana and TV? I'm just so. And the progress. My mom didn't your comment section about a year.